feel ready. Alright, I'm gonna go to a football field and I'm gonna sit in the middle of the football field and then fly the drone in circles around me. How cool is this? Hopefully the drone works. God damn. I didn't test the drone before I came here. So I don't even know if I have everything. I think I should. I hope I do. Well, I don't have the cable that I need, so I can't record aerial footage. Damn it. That sucks. Alright, I'm gonna call this session over. It's not that fun. I don't have the goggles. Okay, so it's the next day. I'm back at the football field, but this time I have the cable that I was missing the first day. Let's go back and try again. That probably looks sick.